Hello friends, welcome to Programming in Your Hands Part 20, and we are going to see about friend functions and friend classes. We are going to see just one program to make you understand. Yeah. So what do you mean by a friend function? There is a difference between a member function and a non-member function. What is meant by a member function? Yes, it is going to be the member of a class. What is meant by a non-member function? Yes, it is not a member of the class. But if the non-member function wants to access the private data of a class, will it be possible? No, certainly not. So that is why we are going in for a function which is named as friend function. Okay, so here you have the class name which is called as distance. Now you can see that there is a function, there is a constructor wherein you say that meter is equal to 0. Now you have something called as friend keyword. And outside your class, here is your class that has been terminated. And outside this class, you can see a function. You know already that whenever a function is declared inside the class, and if we are defining it outside the class, the compiler will search for a scope resolution operator. But you don't have a scope resolution operator here, which means it is a non-member function. So add 5 is going to be a non-member function. But you can see that it is going to access this meter, which is the private data of a class. That is why we go in for some function which is called as friend. You are just using a keyword inside the class which is called as friend and then the function name. Okay, so now coming to your main program. Always your compiler comes to the main program. You have your main over here. You have distance d. Now it will automatically search for a constructor. Yes, you have a constructor here which says meter is equal to 0. Now see out distance. So distance colon will be displayed. Now you're calling the function add 5 of d. Automatically it searches for the function name and it sees that it is going to be a friend function. It is declared inside, but it is defined outside without a scope resolution operator. But still it can access with the temporary object that is being created over here. You can see that it is being created over here. So this meter is the private data of a class, but this meter can be accessed using this particular object. So d dot meter. What does this mean? It is an arithmetic assignment operator which means d dot meter equal to d dot meter plus 5. Now return d dot meter. Already you have mentioned that the meter is going to be 0. So 0 plus 5 will give you an answer of 5. So this is the concept of friend function. What did you understand? Even if it is a non-member function, your compiler will be able to access the private data of the class if you use a keyword which is called as friend. Okay. Now this is friend function. Now what do you mean by a friend class? Here you can see class A and you have another class B which is being terminated over here. Why? Because you are going to make this class B a friend over here. You can see that you are making this B as a friend over here. Your compiler will not understand if you are just writing a B over here. It will automatically search for what it is. That is why you are giving a class B over here. Okay, fine. So now you have your main program over here. It automatically comes to your int main. You have A, which is going to be the class name. Object A, immediately it searches for a constructor. Yes, you have a constructor. You say that num A is equal to 12. Okay. Now you have B, object B. Once this object is created, it will also search for a constructor. Yes, you have a constructor over here. Now you're giving that num B is going to be 1. Okay, fine. Now see out sum add of. Add is a function with two arguments object A comma object B. Now what is add? You cannot find it inside the class A as well as class B. but you can find out a keyword which is called as friend in both the classes. So what does it mean? You are going to use a function which is called as add, which is going to act as friend for both A and B, which mean it will act as friend for A class as well as B class, so that it can access num A as well as num B. So now in this case, it will automatically go to this particular function add A object A, B object B. What are you doing here? Yes, you are going to add the num A with num B. So your answer would be 12 plus 1, which is equal to 13. Thank you. Hope you would have understood the concept of friend function. Remember, it is going to be a non-member function, but still it will be able to access the private data of a class. Thank you.